Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. We are into valuation of shares. So valuation of shares yield method. How to value the shares in yield method. This we are seeing last class we have done one problem, one more problem we'll do. This is the last problem of today's class. Before going to the class, let me tell you, please do check the playlist for more subjects, more topics, whatever may be your course, and don't forget to share these videos because with lot of energy and time, I'm preparing this video especially for you all at the rate free of cost. Please do share. Now let's come into the yield method, valuation of shares. You must remember one thing, that is formula. How to value the shares in yield method. This formula you have to remember. Expected rate by normal rate into paid up value of each share. Expected rate by normal rate into paid up value of each share. Okay. Now here, how do you get expected rate? For that there is a formula. Expected rate is equal to available profit, or you can say it as expected profit. Available profit or expected profit by total paid up equity capital. Here equity capital per share we have taken. Here total paid up equity capital into 100. Available profit by expected profit by total paid up capital equity capital into 100. This formula you have to remember. Then problem is simple. Now second problem I am taking, this is the problem. If you see the problem, calculate company shares by yield method. Now what is given to us? Balance sheet. Fixed assets, current assets, goodwill. Issued capital 10 rupees per share. Total it is 4 lakh. Okay. So this is equity capital. Reserve, surplus, debentures, current liabilities. This is what given. And adjustments, what did they say? Fixed assets valued at 3,50,000. Fixed assets we have to value it for 3,50,000 and goodwill 50,000. And net profits were this much, 3 years net profit. Okay, net profit, of which 20% was placed reserve and normal rate 10%. Adjustments are there. Now wherever we have adjustments, that we need to do it. Okay, so now what we need to do first, to calculate this value of shares, we need expected rate. How do we get expected rate? Through available profit and or expected profit, anything you can say. Say expected profit. Expected profit we want, and total equity capital is 4 lakh. Total equity capital is here 4 lakh into 100, so that you will be getting expected rate. That we need to find out. Now what is needed for this expected rate? Available profit or expected profit we want, that we need to calculate. Okay, so we'll do first this first step, calculation of expected profit. Profit. So for this we'll draw a small table. What is needed? Expected profit. Profits are already 3 years profit is given. First we'll take the average profit, same like previous problem, average profit. For that, profits of 3 years, it is 51,600 and 52,000 and 51,650. Will total up and we are going to do the average. Total, if you do 51,600 plus 52,000 plus 51,650, is coming to 1,55,250. So average profit is, how do you get? 1,55,250 divided by 3. So you will get 51,750 is the 51,750 is the average profit. Now to that, what we have do, we find any adjustments, value of assets goodwill, this is nothing to do with this, okay. And net profit already we have taken, of which 20% was placed to reserve, 20% is to be transferred to the reserve, means out of this profit 20% we are going to transfer to the reserve, deduct, because we are transferring from the profit, so less 20% reserve. How do you get 51,750 into 20%? 51,750 into 20%, 10,350. If we deduct it, 41,400. So this is expected profit. You got it. Am I clear? So this is expected profit. This is the first step. Okay. Once if you get the expected profit, there is nothing to do, just simply you can take the formula. First formula is that value of shares, you have to write as it is. Now second formula, I'm not writing, you have to write, okay. So second step is here, we have to calculate expected rate. Expected rate is equal to expected profit. Expected profit is 41,400. 41,400 by total paid up equity capital. Total paid up equity capital is here 4 lakh into 100. $414 divided by 40. It is 10.35. $10.35 is the expected rate. Once if you get the expected rate, just take the direct formula. You have to write that formula. Value of share is equal to expected rate by normal rate, value of share. Value of share is equal to expected rate. Expected rate already you got it, 10.35. 10.35 by normal rate. Normal rate is here, it is given. Normal rate, okay. Normal rate is 10% into total paid up value of each share. Each share means this one. Each share is 10 rupees into 10. So it will be 10.35 only. Am I clear? This is the problem. First take a screenshot or note down, then I'll explain you once again. Simple, nothing to worry. Here one thing is that you must know the formulas. Once if you know the formula, first step is you have to calculate the expected profit. Expected profit is, calculation is like this. Generally we take the average profit only. We found that there is a reserve. So that reserve has to be deducted. So that is what we have done. Once if we deduct the reserve from the average profit, that is the expected profit, or you can say it as the available profit. You got it. Now formula, as per the formula, first we need to know the expected rate. For expected rate, formula is available profit or expected profit. This one 41,400 divided by total paid up shares. Paid up shares are 4 lakh. 4 lakh into 100. So that you got the 10.35 as expected rate. Now to value the shares, formula, main formula is expected rate. Expected rate is this one, divided by normal rate. Normal rate is here 10 into 100. Paid up value of each share. Paid up value of each share is here 10 rupees. 10 rupees. 10 cancel, same as it is. Expected rate 10.35. Only you got it as value per share as per the yield method. That's all. Simple. Hope it is clear. Take out your textbook. Work out more problems. take some illustrations or take the backside exercises, then work out and see, your confidence levels will increase a lot. Before exams, you will not scare at all. Remember the main concept. Preparing the notes, working notes, and writing the gun points. These are all going to be helpful for you, right? So stay connected. Next class, we'll work out the last method. Practice well. Good luck.